Okay, we discussed quite a bit of defense. Himang, hi, good afternoon. Let's just bring in our colleague Ria, who's of course been updating, and as she's had to update these numbers furiously every day because stocks have done so well. I mean, a stock like Garden Reach, Friday to Friday is up 40%. Let's go across to Ria, but just not just about prices, but valuations as well. Ria, take it away.
Well, yes, defense and shipbuilding stocks have continued their rally in trade today. In fact, some stocks are up as much as 20% in today's session. The biggest gainers include Paras Defense, Premier Explosives, Cochin Shipyard, Garden Reach Shipbuilders, Mazagon Dock, and Data Patterns as well. In fact, since the 7th of May, we've seen market cap additions of up to rupees 1.6 lakh crores across the entire defense pack. Now, the key triggers that are aiding to this rally include the recent escalations that we saw between India and Pakistan after the Pahalgam terror attack. In fact, going ahead, defense equipment makers can also be expected to ramp up production in a lot of areas, which can include more focus on manufacturing low-cost ammunition indigenously. We can also see a greater push for AI-guided loitering munitions and for unmanned systems on land, air and sea as well. In fact, going ahead, the need for foliage-penetrating radars and robotics can also see an increase, and we can see a need for large-scale acquisition of stealth technology and weapons also in the future. Now, industry sources have told us that the defense industry expects replenishment orders worth anywhere between rupees 30,000 to rupees 40,000 crores going ahead, and India's defense budget, which stood at rupees 6.8 lakh crores in FY25, is also set to see an increase next year. Today, analysts also told us that defense companies are now working in up to 3 shifts in order to ramp up production as directed by the government of India in light of these escalations between India and Pakistan and the increasing tensions geopolitically as well. Now, major defense companies like HAL, Garden Reach Shipbuilders and Cochin Shipyard have also reported a healthy set of numbers in this quarter, which is also aiding to this overall increased optimism in defense stocks, and they also have strong order and earnings visibility going ahead. Some stocks that are trading near or at their 52-week highs include Bharat Dynamics, Astra Micro Products, BEL, Solar Industries, Mazagon Dock and Paras Defense as well. Other stocks, although, are still down anywhere between 10 to 33% off their respective 52-week highs, which include Idea Forge, Zen Technology, Cochin Shipyard and Emtatech. Lastly, in terms of valuations, 14 of the 16 defense stocks that we've looked at are now trading above their 3-year average PEs.
Okay, that's very comprehensive, Ria. Thank you very much for that. Himang, you want to quick